and the CRG mounts are certainly more secure and a better product. Today we're back with the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Come along for the journey. So I recently made a video in which I talked about all of the different things that I had done, all the different modifications I had made to the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Of all of those modifications, of all of those changes and adjustments, the one that I've been least pleased with has been the bar end mirrors. So what was it that I didn't like about the stock Royal Enfield factory bar end mirrors? Well, a couple things. First of all, they didn't feel, or they don't feel to me, like an incredibly high quality part. The arms themselves are metal, they are probably aluminum, but the mirrors themselves, I don't know if you can hear the difference, are plastic. So not really the quality that I've experienced and expect on the rest of the Interceptor product. That's the first thing. Second thing, the diameter for these bar end mirrors is not the same as the diameter of the handlebars. So that's a minor problem, and I actually had to get these bar end weights, saw them off, and then adapt them and mount them to the end of handlebars that way. So that was the reason for the replacement. Number one, the quality. Number two, the security. Nothing wrong with these, just didn't work for me. I have here a pair of CRG Hindsight Lanesplitter bar end mirrors. These are aluminum construction. They're in black. And today, we're going to fit them to the Royal Enfield Interceptor and see what they look like. Right side first. Okay, here we go. You can see here all billet machine parts, left or right side use, anti-glare, stainless hardware, fits 7/8 handlebar, and you can get an adapter if you need it for different sized bars. Let's pull this guy out. Simple, effective packaging. Nice looking product. Left side. Alright, so the old one's off. Let's go ahead and get the new one on. I'm taking the... Let's see. Alright, so it looks like, because the bar end finisher, I'm going to actually have to dismantle the entire assembly. There we go. It comes in two pieces, you can see here. The ball actually sits inside of these two pieces and clamps together, then you can adjust the mirror. So, I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Oh, and I dropped the screw. Let's go ahead and get that back. Fit it into the hole. So this is on. And if you take a look at it there, you can see that it's got CRG, the brand, actually etched in or slightly milled into the metal. You can see that it's fully adjustable. This ball and the tightness of the mirror are entirely dependent on how tightly you screw down the Allen keys. This is called a lane splitter, again, because it will fold in if needed. Also for fitment, let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. So there's still a good 2 inches of clearance there between the side of the tank and the bars, and that is at full lock. So we'll straighten that out. Let's also take a look. You can see, look at the mirror there on the side of the bike. Compared with the stock mirror. And the stock mirror would go up or down. Down didn't work as well. I actually did try mounting these in the opposite position, on the opposite side, so that they were pointing down. The problem is that they do, in that orientation, run into the side of the tank. Actually, I think it was the side of the engine housing. So again, that's the stock mirror. That is the CRG lane splitter. Alright, we're going to get it installed on the right side of the bike now. You'll also notice this little sleeve that comes with the clip-ons, just comes right off, and that reduces this bar back down to the 7/8 outer diameter. So again, on and off. So again, these are 7/8 bars as fitted stock to the Continental GT 650. In this case, I've got them mounted on my Interceptor. One other item of note is that to install the factory or the Royal Enfield official aftermarket bar end mirrors, I should say factory aftermarket, no. To install the official Royal Enfield bar end mirrors for the GT 650 and the Interceptor, you actually do have to remove the bar end finishers. So I had done that, and I'm now putting it back on so that we can go ahead and fit the CRG lane splitter here on the right side. Get that pointed the right way. And locked down. There we go. Somewhat conveniently, the bar end finishers and the CRG mirrors both use 14mm hex head or Allen head fasteners. It's different from the Royal Enfield official mirrors, bar end mirrors, which do not. I think they use a 15 or a 16. Don't remember off the top of my head here. I'll check in just a minute. So again, on the CRG, if you watch what I'm doing, I'm just unfastening the fasteners to separate the two halves of the mirror. I want to be real careful not to drop the mirror because it will fall right out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and separate that, set it down again so you can see exactly what that looks like. So you can see they're two pieces of aluminum. They come together, and the clamping force from the two hex head screws holds the mirror in and holds it in place on the bike. So we'll go ahead and get these on now. you can see as I'm tightening this up, the mirror is beginning to hold itself into place. So I think I'll put it somewhere around there. Continue to tighten, 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 and do the same onto the top. Nice and secure. And these really are, or at least they certainly feel like, look like, and on first impression will be high quality, excellent mirrors for what they are and what they're supposed to do. So you'll see, again, folds right on in. So it's a lane splitter from CRG. Really pleased with the product so far. And now that we've got both of them on, we can take a quick look at what the Interceptor looks like with both of the mirrors fitted. Again, you'll note, even at full lock, there's a good 2 inches of clearance there. So from this side, looks like this. And again, I'll hop on real briefly, and we'll go lock. There's the clearance between the bike, the mirror, and my knee. To lock. Same thing over here. So I'm very pleased with the way these products look for first fit. I'll take them out for a ride probably tomorrow, get them adjusted, go from there. But great product, fits just fine on the Royal Enfield Interceptor and Continental GT 650. I'm looking forward to using it. Hey there. I hope you enjoyed the video you just watched about the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and the CRG Hindsight Lanesplitter bar end mirrors. If so, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Have a great day.